Hey guys, Roxas here. Welcome back to Final Fantasy 15. So I want to let you guys know I'm going to start recording these on the weekend now. So I have more free time during the week. Because it's starting to get it's just a little annoying to record during the week now. Because if I miss a day, I miss a day, and I don't like missing days. So yeah, that's going to be that from now on. So, anyway, let's just get into the game. I also leveled up from a little bit from last time, too, so that's a thing. Okay, see you guys in the game. And we're back. Now, we have a long way to our next objective. So, I will cut to when I am there.
For our next story, Lady Lunafreya of Tenebrae has issued an official statement regarding the forthcoming treaty.
Words cannot express the joy in my heart on receiving word of this coming peace, nor the pride I take in my betrothal playing a part in this historic moment. On this joyous occasion, some have voiced cause for concern. The fear I will be unable to fulfill my duties as Oracle. Please rest assured, my marriage will not stand in the way of my calling. You will find me in your towns and villages, as you always have, and I shall continue to bless you all.
Lady Lunafreya will set forth from Tenebrae for her wedding ceremony in the coming days. Please be advised that during this time alone, her duties as Oracle will be suspended.
It's in the treaty?
Of course. Simple formality.
One of those symbol of the peace deals.
So it's more like a marriage of convenience.
Her ladyship seems nevertheless amenable to the prospect.
And Noctier likes the idea.
What's that? I do?
Buzz off.
And we're here. So supposed to get on a ferry now? Really? Huh.
Might want to stock up on potions and stuff.
Nice. You're being helpful for a change.
What do you mean for a change?
Now, I think... Hold on, let me get some stuff. Then we shall go to the objective. But yeah, we're here in Golden Key. That's how you pronounce it, apparently. What do you got?
Hello and welcome. Thank you kindly. We hope to see you again.
I'm sure you will. Now, let's get the objective. So yeah. The reason I'm going to start reporting on weekends now in bigger chunks is because it helps me get a lot more done in games, and I can record longer, which helps a lot. I have a feeling I wasn't supposed to go this way. Whoops. Hold on. So anyway, like I was saying...
Is this place amazing or what?
The breeze is quite refreshing.
Didn't think I'd enjoy the seaside this much.
Well, sounds like it's made a good first impression.
Cool. Wait, what was that? I saw that item. Anyway, like I was saying, I hope you guys enjoy this one, because I feel like I'm going to be able to get much more done in video-wise. And hopefully I can start Wind Waker back up again, because I really wanted to play through the rest of that, but it's just, I just never had the time, or it's just been a long time.
Welcome to Golden Key.
Ooh, cutscene.
I'm afraid you're out of luck.
Are
Who
we?
are you?
The boats bring you here.
What about him?
Well, they'll not take you forth.
And what's your story?
I'm an impatient traveler, ready to turn ship. The ceasefire's getting us nowhere.
Huh.
What's this? Some sort of souvenir?
They make those?
What? No.
Consider it your allowance.
Huh?
Yeah. And who's allowing us?
A man of no consequence.
I already don't trust him.
Yeah, right. You
I don't
believe
think
what
I-
that guy said about the port being closed?
I'm skeptical, though I won't discount the possibility.
I say we go check it out for ourselves.
Yeah, let's go. I wonder what that guy was about, though.
is amazing.
Well, you can't beat fish fresh from the ocean.
No place serves it fresher than golf.
That's very surprising. Like, I like the guy's clothes, by the way. That was some nice details and such. But I wonder what he was about. What going on about? Hey, what was that?
Everything will be up and running by morning.
Oh, Cosmogody? Arcade, Steadfast, at Stone, Ramu, Shiva, Leviathan, Muhammad. It's just... okay. They just told us about summons and stuff, really. Well, not summons, but summons I know of. Because some of those are in the Smash Bros. Thing, DLC from Cloud. I remember those.
What's all this about the port closing?
I remember Ramu and stuff.
Man, not a ship in sight. What gives?
Huh. I wonder what that's about. This looks nice though. I like the water, and I definitely like that background over there. What guy was on about though?
Appreciate it.
What?
According to my sources, the Empire given strict orders not to let any vessels leave the docks of Altissia. Real shame if you were late to your own wedding, right, Prince Noctis? Name's Dino, by the way. Pleasure.
I'm
The
like, who's
Crown
Dino?
Prince of Lucis, bounty hunting in his fancy car. Surely you didn't think it'd go unnoticed. At least not by this reporter. Lucky for you, this reporter has integrity. If you want to remain incognito, I'll respect your wish. In exchange for a favor.
What kind of favor?
What do you want?
Hey, I knew you'd come around. Let me see your map.
That's a huge map.
Marked where you need to go on your map. All you gotta do is find me some rough gemstones, like this one. Do this, and your ship will come in. Don't, and the papers will run you out of town. Capiche?
Ah. Bribery.
What's all this about the port closing?
My favorite.
Guess we have to stay another night.
Okay, so I guess I know where we're going.
He's really got your number, Knox.
Not like
well.
we made much effort to keep it secret.
Nah.
Even if we had, the press always finds a way. We needn't befriend him, but we'd best not make him our enemy.
No. That's some good advice. So,
Good.
we need to head over there to the exclamation mark. Which isn't that far away, actually. I think we just run there. Yeah, I think I can see it. Oh. Hello? Is a quest? What kind of quest?
Hey,
Aw.
buddy. What's up? Taking a little stroll? How come you're all alone? You must be hungry. Yeah, that's what I thought. Hold on a sec. I'll find you something. Gotta come up with some cat food.
Could always buy some.
Or we could fish for some?
Oh yeah.
Excellent idea. Let's go.
Oh yeah, fishing. Fishing's a thing in this. Okay. So hold on a sec. I need to do things. Okay, I'll be right back. Let's fish. So we couldn't fish over there. I think you could fish down there. So let's try that. If not, then we'll just have to leave the cat alone. Now, don't want to. That if the cat wants food, I'm going to get it food.
This bites. How am I supposed to make my deliveries?
Oh, take photo.
Take a shot from here.
Good call. Now it's picture time.
Sweet.
Ready or not? Oh, love the lighting.
Nice. Anyway. Do we fish here or no? I don't think so. Oh! What's this? It's a shell. I don't think we can fish here. I think we have to do some story thing first, so yeah, let's go do that.
Man, it's hot.
Then lose the jacket.
See, I am the same way. If I'm hot, I don't toss off my jacket, I just suffer through it. Like an idiot. Okay, let's see, it's up there. Really? There we go. All the way back there, then. Yeah, I'll just use the car because I'm not walking all that way.
What's the forecast?
Clear skies with the temperature rising.
Great.
Nice.
Hopefully it just goes to the spot I marked, not to a thing.
Maybe Sid was right about your lack of dignity.
You're one step above delivery boy.
Huh.
The royal rank carries little weight outside the Crown City. Glad it's not weighing me down. You sure we're in the right spot?
According to the map. Let's scope it out.
And we're here. So, there it is right there. Oh, that car's gonna have to go around. Sorry, man. What the? Okay, wild goose hunt. This is gonna be fun. So let's see, here's the next marker. I see some down there. Is this what he wanted? I got some.
Real nice here.
Yeah.
Okay, so we need to go over there. But how? Okay, there's a passage through here. I was wondering how. Oh.
Rock
Hello.
and roll.
Okay.
OMG. We're supposed to get near that thing?
Pipe down before you wake it up.
What? Oh god. Spooky, scary, spooky, scary. There's a giant bird. Back away, back away. So has a radius surrounded, okay. What? I see that red line, I'm dipping backwards. I'm not. Oh. Look at his beak! It has serrated teeth! Shush! No one wants to hear that crap. You just sit there all day and nap while there's cars around? You piece of crap. Just gotta sneak by, sneak by. Just gotta sneak by. What is that thing? How would you know? Is that crap? Oh, its tail. It has a tail. Just go around the tail. Prompto, shut up. Shush. Let's just hop back down here. Oh, I think we need to go back around. Shit. Shortcut. Shit, shit. Run. Run. Oh god. That was a bad idea. Don't attack her, just run. Run for it. So leaving? Oh. Oh. They left. We're good. Oh, that's... Oh, I forgot to stop my time again. Whoops. Okay. That was not fun to witness. I shouldn't have dropped down, but I did. I am an idiot. Let me get back to the car and let's go back. I'll cut to when I'm back with Dino.
It's real pretty here at night. And yet, by all accounts, it pales in comparison to old Tisha.
Seriously?
Okay, we're back.
Hope everything will be up and running by morning.
I'm sure it will. Since I got this now. Anyway, let's get back to Dino. A sack of crap. Didn't mean to hit my map. Whoops. Meant to hit that button. Hello. It would be great if games did not military time, because it's less confusing. Oh, the kitty, I forgot about you. I need to find him some food.
Welcome to Golden Key.
Are we staying here? Well, just so you know, I'm cool with camping.
Yeah, that's fine. We could probably stay here. Where's this little ass? You know.
What's all this about the port closing?
Some kind of holdup in Altisha.
Nice work, kid. Sorry for giving you such a hard time. I just had to get my hands on this, even if it meant blackmail. You understand, don't you? You see,
no.
I'm a reporter by day and an amateur jeweler by night. This elusive little beauty's gonna become a masterpiece. To make it up to you, I'll share a little scoop. That special coin you got? It commemorates the Oracle's ascension. That guy was tossing them out to everyone. Must have picked them up back in Niflheim. And speaking of freebies, here's one from me. Come back if you want to buy more.
I doubt a souvenir like that could make its way into the hands of an ordinary citizen.
Oh well, it's our pocket change now.
Let's learn from history and book a place this time.
Okay.
As promised, I'm in the process of securing your ferry tickets right now. Told you, I'm a man of integrity. Should be smooth sailing from here. So let me know when you're ready to ship out.
I admit I didn't expect Dino to secure us a ship.
Well, must be pretty connected if he can pull some strings around an Imperial embargo.
Yeah, that guy's one artful artisan.
Here. Okay. Okay, so I think we gotta rest up here.
Welcome to the Mother of Pearl. Allow me to take your order. You do know this is a restaurant.
Cool. Cool. Nice. Nice. That it? That's it.
Thank you for your patronage.
So we'll find a place to set up camp. I'll be right back. Then we're heading out. Or I'm going to end off the episode and we'll head out next episode. Hold on. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to end off the episode here. And then we'll go to Alicia next time. Thanks to Dino. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like what you saw and want to see more, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to become a potential keeper of the day. And watch more videos like this. Roxas out.